Our top story, the real estate sector has been in the line of fire of the National Green Tribunal in recent times, impacting lakhs of home buyers, particularly in the National Capital Region. Starting from ban on sand mining to use of groundwater for construction to ban on issuance of completion certificates to projects near Okla Bird Sanctuary, the list is long. And now to add to that, in a recent order, it has stopped construction activities in Noida Extension and Golf Course Road of Gurgaon, citing air pollution. But will putting the construction activity on hold address air pollution, or should the focus be on enforcing use of better business practices? Oineta Moja reports.
Another National Green Tribunal order impacting lakhs of home buyers who have invested in the over 30,000 flats in Greater Noida West and Golf Course Road of Gurgaon. The tribunal has directed immediate stoppage of construction activities in all those projects not complying with Environment Ministry guidelines of 2010 and 2014 orders of NGT to control air pollution. The order, however, has come under severe criticism even as construction work continues unabated.
Is that you cannot really stop construction, but what you can do is to adopt good construction practices. But unfortunately, we have not looked at these big ticket solutions, which means you come up with the right infrastructure, with the right policy, which will ensure that the real estate industry, they have the accountability and ownership in reducing dust with very good waste disposal system.
Once you get an environment clearance, you have to give a 6-monthly compliance report to the environment department, and then to have an order like this, which is based on some media report or something like that, is very, very demoralizing and discouraging. Definitely needs to be challenged.
As per McKinsey India's survey, 1 billion square meter of floor space has been built in 2013. According to Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council's estimates, new construction generates at least 50 kg of construction and demolition waste per square meter. Going by these estimates, India must have generated 50 million ton of construction and demolition waste in 2013 alone. Up to 400 kg of waste per square meter is generated during demolition, renovation and repair work. NGT has issued 17-point directive to be complied with by local government authorities and developers. Builders will have to put tarpaulin on scaffolding around the construction area. Storage of any construction material on any part of the street is prohibited. Construction material debris to be carried in fully covered vehicles. Use of wet jet in grinding and stone cutting made compulsory. Wind-breaking walls must around construction sites. Non-compliance will attract a penalty of 50,000 rupees and another 5,000 rupees in case of carriage of debris in open vehicles. Real estate industry body CREDAI has issued advisory to all its over 11,500 members in 23 states to ensure immediate compliance.
There is no panic. If somebody is violating, then definitely the construction will stop. But if he is following the guidelines, there is no need to worry. We have already issued advisory to all our members. Please go through your environment clearance certificate. If some conditions are laid down in there and you are not completely following at your site, please ensure personally, go to site and personally ensure that all the guidelines must be followed at your site.
Absence of a systematic action plan and improper implementation has been the result of such drastic court orders. But the question remains, for how long will home buyers have to bear the brunt of inconsistencies in government policies? In New Delhi, Oineta Moja, NDTV.